In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check posts from a specific date on Facebook. This is a helpful trick if you're looking to revisit a memory or find a particular post you or someone else shared in the past. So, let's dive right in and make it easy for you to navigate through your Facebook activity. First, open up your web browser and head over to Facebook's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Now take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll find various options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to locate and click on Settings and Privacy. This section is the gateway to managing all sorts of aspects related to your account, including your activity log. Now that you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, look for the option that says Activity Log and click on it. The activity log is like your personal timeline of everything you've done on Facebook, making it a powerful tool for revisiting past activities. With the activity log open, you'll be greeted with a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to click on your live videos. This will lead you to a section that not only includes live videos, but also allows you to access other types of posts. On the left-hand menu, you'll notice an option labeled Posts. Click on that to proceed further. Now, you should see an option that reads your posts, photos, and videos. This is where you can find everything you've shared on Facebook. By clicking here, you're getting closer to filtering your posts by date. Once you're in this section, look towards the top of the screen for the filter option. Click on the filter button and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Date. This will allow you to specify a particular time frame you're interested in. After selecting the date filter, you'll be prompted to choose the specific date or range of dates you wish to view. This is where you can input the exact day or period you're looking for. Once you've selected your desired date, Facebook will display all the posts from that time, making it easy for you to browse through your past content. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated Facebook settings to check posts from a specific date. This feature is particularly handy for recalling old memories or finding specific posts you want to revisit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media platforms.